How to create a new account on System.io. If you guys didn't know, System.io is an online business platform designed to help entrepreneurs, small businesses, and owners to build their markets and grow their digital presence without having to juggle multiple tools at once. So, first thing you have to do is go to the search bar and simply search for System.io. Let's just search for System first, and you'll be taken directly to this website. This is their official website, and once you get to this landing page, you can click on this start for free now. If you already have an account, click on sign in to just log into it. I'm going to click on start for free. Now you're going to have to enter your email address. So let me just quickly enter my email address right here. Once you've done that, click on get my free account. The next step is to select what you're using this for. So if you are an online business, select this. If you don't have a business, select this as well. So what's your System.io email address? Let me just enter my email address right here. Click on submit. And finally, you can just confirm your email verification. Let me just open my Gmail in a new tab. And here I've gotten this confirmation link from System.io. I'm going to click on this confirmation link and then my account will be verified. So it's asking me to create a password for my account. So let's just do that quickly. Enter your first name, last name, and then enter your password and confirm it. Once you've entered your password, click on I'm not a robot, select motorcycle. So just quickly complete this CAPTCHA and then click on next. Now, once you have done that, click on verify and you're good to go. Tap on save. It says the password is too weak. Make sure that it contains one lowercase letter, uppercase, one number, and one special character. So let's just do that. So I've re-entered my password and click on save. The verification error has occurred, so just refresh it and click on OK, and you should be able to create your account. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope it was helpful to you. I'll see you on the next one.